Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't posted in about a week. I've been away at Center Parcs with my family. So I'm going to do a tutorial for you now, and this is like a super simple but effective flower face painting design. So if you want to see how I do this, then stay tuned. I don't have any makeup on today. I'm feeling a bit vulnerable, but I couldn't be bothered putting any on, so hopefully I don't look too dead. So firstly I'm going to go into this split cake. And this is Global Colours Bright Rainbow. I'm going to use my water spray bottle and I'm going to spray the split cake. And then I'm going to go into a sponge, and this is a sponge that I've actually chopped myself from baby sponges, because it's a lot cheaper to just do that instead of buying special face painting sponges. So I'm just going to keep spraying it and then dragging the sponge across. And I'm going to do this probably like 4 or 5 times. And then what I'm going to do is take the sponge into the corner of my eye, so I'm going to close my eye. Obviously it's easier if you're doing it on someone else. And then just lightly buffer the edges out. Like that. Then I'm going to go into a white face paint on my Snazaroo multi-purpose brush. And I'm going to just build up the white paint on the brush as if I was doing like a double dip flower, but I'm just going to do it with the white paint. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same again. Do 2 at the bottom there, 2 petals, and then 2 at the top, like that. And then I'm going to switch into a finer brush. So I'm going to go into the Low Cornell round number 4, which I just use all the time. Just add some dots coming round. You can use the dots to kind of blend the lines in. It looks a bit harsh. I have a set of just plain gems, and I'm just going to add one to the centre of the flowers. And there you go, that's the finished look of this super simple rainbow flower design.